If you forget your Roblox password and want to find it, then I'm going to show you how to use your browser to quickly find this. This can be done in your PC, or if you're currently using Roblox in any other devices, you could possibly find that within the browser as well. Now, as I'm on my PC right here, I'm going to simply use a browser that I normally log in with a Roblox account, and just simply go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to settings. Now, once you're on the settings, you'll be able to find password and autofill. Now, that applies for any other browser that you normally use. I'm going to just quickly open a second one. So let's take, for example, Edge. I'll be able to quickly open up the Microsoft Edge browser as well. If I was using Edge, I'll click the three dots here in the upper right, go to the settings right here, and here's password and autofill. Now here you'll find a Microsoft password manager. So depending on the browser, they will have their own password manager. For example, Edge here, it has the Microsoft password manager, while within Google Chrome, it has Google password manager. So I'll open that. Now, what you want to do is simply, if you're not able to find Roblox within the list right here and you have a whole lot of password, go ahead and click on search for Roblox, right? In my case, I can find it. Now, I must say, this is not going to save there automatically. It's going to be there if, for example, you sign in for the first time and you click save the password. That won't happen automatically. It's going to be there only if you save it. So that's the only drawback to it, right? So if you're using another devices, maybe you want to check that as well to see if you have it there, and most likely you'll be able to find it somewhere, right? In the worst case, you can always go ahead and reset your password if you don't know what that is. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, but in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. I can find it. I simply click on roblox.com, which is showing up right here. It will ask you to enter your Windows credential, or if you set any passkey on your computer like keys, you'll be able to enter that as well. So in my case, I have a pin. I'm going to go ahead and enter my pin to my machine right here, and right here you will see that I have the I right here, and I simply can click on that to show my password, and that's how I'll be able to know it, guys. You can also see the email address, so if you even forget your email address, you'll be able to see all of the credentials right there. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.